Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of the Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will speak on Dakshayani Velayudhan. She was born on 4th of July 1912 in a small island which is in present day's Ernakulam district. She started her initial schooling in St. Mary's School and then for higher studies she went to MLCC High School. She went to Maharaja's College in Cochin to study BSc, and she was at that time the only female student in the science faculty. She obtained her BSc degree in 1935. She got elected to Constituent Assembly from Malabar in the Madras Presidency. She was very vocal about the problems of Dalits in the constitutional debates. She was a member of Advisory Committee on Fundamental Rights and also member of Minorities and Tribal and Excluded Areas Committee. She spoke on various issues, like she spoke on the debate of preamble. She was of opinion that emancipation of Harijans depended on adopting a set of moral safeguards. She opposed a separate electorate for Harijans. She was of opinion that the best way to address untouchability was through sustained state propaganda and not through punishment. She spoke on the rights of citizens in the assembly. On 19th of December 1946, quote, I refuse to believe that 17 million Harijans are to be considered as minority. What we want is the removal, immediate removal of our social disabilities. Only an independent socialist Indian Republic can give freedom and equality of status to the Harijans. Our freedom can be obtained only from Indians and not from the British government, unquote. So these were her views on a particular topic. She passed away on 20th of July 1978. We are thankful for the contribution she had given in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.